What is the most expensive supermarket in Southern California? Erewhon, where celebrity shop. Let's shop with me at Erewhon, Pasadena. Alright, so we got two bags right here, and one of them is more like a snacky. And I'm going to be honest with you, there's a lot. I'm going to wait for Uncle Don to come back from Europe, so we're going to try together. So definitely stay tuned. And the other one is something I can eat right now, so let's go check it out. So let me show you what snacky we have, okay? Okay, this is by the Vigo Bear, and it is the Malibu Foaming Gummy Bear. What is a foamy gummy bear? I have no, it's gonna foam in my mouth, I have no idea. So at Erewhon, they known for their certified organic food right there. So they have a lot of really interesting snacky, and they are not cheap. Like this chip right here, there's only 12 of this in here, 12. I believe this is about like a $6 or something like that. I didn't remember the price. I'm gonna try to find a price, put it right here, but yeah, $6, $5 for 12 pieces. So I'm gonna have to wait for Uncle Don to try. We were in Erewhon today with my friend, and then we saw people starting grabbing these chips. I don't know about you, when people started ordering stuff in the store, we're like, what are they doing? Do I need to get some? And the customer said, yes, you gotta try this. So I got this two chip right here. One is the black truffle. He says really, really good. And this one is, oh my goodness, I got both black truffle. Oh well, so we're gonna wait for Don for this. So I just tried to get something interesting. Like what is this? I don't even know what this is. So I think when Uncle Don's come back, he can really talk about this. So we're gonna try this when Uncle Don's come back. If you see any snacky you tried before from Erewhon, you think is really good, let me know, okay? And then we gotta try this mini canal. So they have a one large one for $6. I think it's too big, so I bought a mini one. I think the same price. And I think this is better, so you can, if you can finish, you can save it for the next day. So I definitely will need to try this today because it will go bad pretty soon. And then also, are you ready? There it's the macaron. Ooh, I think we have to try this very soon because they expire July 24. Wait, July 24. I think I may able to save this for Uncle Don to come back. Okay, he will be back. Oh no, he'll be back on 27. No, I think he'll be back on 19. So I think we may be able to save this for Uncle Don. Okay, so now the last thing I want to show you in this bag here, I was at their beauty sessions, and this one's called Asian Nectar, I think. I tried this body lotion. Oh my gosh. It's like your skin feels silky smooth and oh, it smells so good. But do you know how much this is? A body lotion for this little bottle right here. How many ounce? 6.7 ounce. Right under $100. So I will need to do a full review. This deserves another video for this. So we're gonna do a full review on this. In this bag, it's mostly the food that I can eat now. So this is the olive bread. Okay, so let me get you an idea. This bread right here is a $3.50. So honestly, it's not too crazy with all the ingredients in there. There's olive, all kind of stuff. So we definitely have to try this very soon. Don't ask me, how much is this? I think this is olive here. It's like a $12, $13. But they say this is one of the best. I want to let you know something in case you don't know this. When you buy any product in the glass jar, they do charge you extra for the jar. But when you can recycle and then they will give you money back. But let me tell you, we've been keeping them. They are so pretty. We've been keeping them for use to store other food. So I definitely will try this later. I also got this pure black cold brew coffee. They were on sale for $3.75. I'm gonna try it. Okay, this thing here, I don't know. A lot of people talk about this. It's a sea moss gel. anybody ever tried sea moss gel before, leave a comment down below. Our body naturally produces minerals, so this will kind of give the vitamin, nutrient you need for your body. You take this 3 times a day with one. How do you eat this? 1 teaspoon. This is like a $30-some right here. But the only problem is I need to use this by July 22nd. But you need to watch my future video. The sales lady told me that a lot of their fancy clients use this as a face mask or hair mask. Well, I suppose if you can eat it and it's organic, it's healthy, why not put on the skin? So I definitely gonna try this on my skin too. So this and this will be another video, like skincare from Erewhon. Leave a comment below if you want to see me using this as a face mask. Kind of scary. Okay. The next 2 items I want to show you, we bought this all the time from Erewhon. It is their pesto sauce. So this is, I think, it's $11. You know what? This is by far the best pesto sauce. If you cook, you know how much herb you need to make this big jar. So $11, not bad at all. And then if you have a gluten allergy, like people, or you want to be healthier, this particular brand gluten-free fettuccine, it is the best. It feels like take you back to Europe, that type of ingredient. So these 2 together, I'm gonna make this for my mom tomorrow. My mom's visiting me tomorrow, spend a couple days with me here because Uncle Don is on business trip to Europe. So we're gonna make this for her, and I'll probably film a little video. This is so good. We bought this like 4 times already. What else? And I got to try this. I'll be honest with you, I really bought it just because the glass. Okay, now you see all the food I bought, right? Let me show you the famous Haley Beaver strawberry soft shade drink right now. And after that, I want to show you the hot food item from Erewhon. Let's go! Finally trying the famous Haley Beaver soft serve sundae. Oh my god, look at this. There's so many amazing flavors in here. Let's see how this tastes like. Wow, it's very thick. Oh my god, there's so much amazing texture in there. It tastes like a soft serve ice cream with a milkshake, fresh strawberry. Okay, this thing is good, very good. This is our little lunch from Erewhon. This sea bass is a $15. Oh my goodness. We have a chow mein, Japanese sweet potato, kale and greens, tofu, short ribs, and chickens. So let's give it a try. Trying the first time the Erewhon. This is called a hot food, right? The hot food right here. So you already see what we have. So I'm going to try the veggie first, see how this tastes. It tastes fresh. How much does this cost anyway? I don't even remember. $35 for one. So our lunch is $50. Let's see if this works. 45. Okay. So this is a sea bass. Oh, sea bass is good.
Delicious.
Tofu is kind of weak. Has a little kick to it. I'm gonna try the short rib. Short rib is Asian flavor. I feel like the food here is a lot of Asian flavor infused in there, but I probably wouldn't get the short rib again because for $30, I'll probably get something else. All right, this is the Japanese sweet potato. Wait. Why do I get Japanese sweet potato? I know how to make that myself. You just buy it and just
bake it and cook them.
Yeah, that's good. Oh, salty, the noodle. Now the chicken. So I have to say, so far the food, not bad. The only thing I will get again is the sea bass. When they play the food inside the layer, it looks so amazing. The lighting, but when they pull it out, it looks so good. But she gave me a sample of a chicken to try, but I think she's smart. She gave me the best part. So that was juicy. Honestly, I would just buy sea bass and maybe get a rice on the side. Oh, actually, it's cheaper. The sea bass is only $15 and you can save a rice.
It was 40 a pound, so.
Yeah. Alright, so if you want to see me trying some of this food here right now, you need to head to my Instagram, Mr. J All-in-One, and then I will be doing a story there to show you guys how everything tastes. Okay, so make sure you go there. I hope you like video like this today. If you like it, make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification bell so in the time and day I release my video. Alright, so I will see you next time. Bye. Mooncast Multitasking Tinted Moisturizer by Yibu Beauty contains over 90% skin-loving ingredients, more skincare than makeup. Our hero ingredients are hyaluronic acid and aloe vera. Hyaluronic acid for hydration and brightening. Aloe vera to calm and soothe the skin. Carefully designed for anyone with concerns of uneven complexions and or dehydrated skin. Suitable for all ages, lifestyles, and skin types. For dry skin, use over a moisturizer. Give a bottle a shake before use. Dispense 2 to 3 pumps onto the palm. Massage hands together and apply to the face. Start from the center outward, covering the face, forehead, and neck.